Good afternoon, everyone. Cassandra Good reporting to you live from my home office here in Albany, Georgia. And today I am coming to you with how to actually use the autoresponder system and emailing system that is connected to our list leverage business opportunity. And as you all know, I have shared with you all that I am using two different platforms on list building. And each one of them have their own different price points to help anyone in any particular budget. Now, the other one I've already shared with you how to actually email with that one, but this one I've had quite a few questions, and people were thinking that they could email from the list leverage back office, and that's not true. What we have to realize is that list leverage is comprised of three different owners' products. We have Mr. Joel Theron, who has Sendshark, where I'm showing you right now. This is the email marketing system that is connected with List Leverage, where your leads are collected and merged over to the Sendshark platform. Then you also have, of course, List Leverage itself by Mr. Matthew here. Then you also have the owner of Traffic Authority, to which you would actually purchase tier one premium traffic by way of solar ad vending. So I want to make sure that you all understand when those leads accumulate in your list leverage platform, that they also are accumulating over in Sendshark. Okay, and Sendshark is actually where you would actually send out your emails on a daily basis to what we all know, build a relationship with your list. It's all about building a quality list for yourself so that you'll be able to build a rapport, gain trust from your list, and be able to send out various products and services of value to your list in due time. Okay, so today I'm actually going to show you how to go in here and use Sendshark so that you can get your broadcast out on a daily basis. So let's go on in. So first one, I want to go ahead and log in. And this system is very, very simple to use, guys. It's very, very simple to use. And I want you guys to not try to reinvent the wheel and try to do anything special with it or whatever. I just want you to see how easy it is for you to go ahead and use this system. Okay, so it's very, very simple to send an email. Now, first of all, I want you to know that some of the coding is specific and detailed to list leverage. Okay, let me say that again. List leverage. Some of the codes that are in the interface here is actually coded to list leverage. So you want to make sure you don't use those unless you are trying to use those. Nothing wrong with that, because you're building this list and you want others that join you to know how to build a list properly too and use this system as well. But today I've had a wonderful weekend where I was using a product and actually sharing the product, and I was able to earn $830 for the weekend. And here it is, Sunday. It's still midday. It's 5:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I hope you guys remember to go ahead and change your clocks, your standard clocks. It has anything to do with your cell phones, because I know they updated on their own, but I hope you actually updated those as well. So anyway, I was able to earn $830. Not a shabby weekend, guys. Not a shabby weekend at all. But what I want to do is I want to share this particular business model with my list that I have accumulated and have started building up with the list leverage system. Okay, so these leads, as you can see right here, I have 308 subscribers. So I'm going to share the same opportunity with these 308 subscribers, and this is how I'm going to do this. Now, you want to first go over here and hit message. Since you're wanting to send a broadcast, you're going to send the broadcast, and that's going to open up for you. And as you all notice here, it says list leverage leads. Now, I have not connected anything else with the Sendshark as of yet. So all of my leads that are generated through the traffic that is going through my list leverage is actually merging over from list leverage over here. So we're simply going to go ahead and click list leverage, that letting the platform know that these are the list of people and contacts that I want to email. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the subject area $830, and that's what I earned. $830 this weekend. Whoop. Okay. So I'm excited about that because it's a very, very simple program. I've already I've already copied the format that I want to use. Okay, so it says, hey, want to make an extra $830 this weekend, or any weekend, any given weekend. And put that there. It's not a huge amount of cash, of course, but it's spendable cash to use however you want. It only takes about 50 minutes to do it. Now, this is for the average person, of course, but for me, it took about 20 minutes because I'm pretty savvy and I'm pretty quick with typing. It's the easiest money you'll ever make. Very, very easy for me. Click here to make up an extra cash over the weekend. Extra $830 cash any weekend. Let me just say any given weekend. Okay. Thanks. You thank us later. Now, of course, that means the owner of the company in which I was able to earn those commissions, and also me, because I'm actually sharing this particular opportunity with you. Okay, now there's a few things that you would like to do on here. You can, and that's located in the insert field. And what you want to do is you want to be a little personal. So here I want to do is I want to first go ahead and put my cursor right here with a little spacing, and I want to address this person by the first name. So you want to go to insert fields, and anybody that you're sending it to, of course, is your subscriber. So I don't want to do a full name. I just want to do just their first name. Okay, so that's in there like that. Of course, I want to go ahead and do a little spacing, and that's a lot of space. I don't really like that. But anyway, I'll leave it just like that. Want to make that extra? Of course, you've seen how that goes. Then I also want them to be able to contact me if they would like to. Of course, we know that email contact and also social media is a wonderful way for a person to stay connected, build a rapport, and keep our communication going. So I want to go down here. Now, I am the affiliate, so I'm going to go ahead and put emails. I want the person to be able to email me. So I'm going to say before here, email, email, email me. Okay, and then space that out. And then I also, guys, I want to add a little more connectivity. Like we were talking about social media. Everyone is connecting with social media. Now, there is not a field for that social media. There is not. I'm just letting you know right there. It's not a field for any of that. But at the same token, you can always know if you know how to do emails anyway, you can do that for yourself. And what I'm going to do is say, connect with me on Facebook. Okay, so then I know my Facebook ID. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight that. I'm going to go up here because I want to link it. And I'm just going to go ahead and type in my Facebook ID. I'm going to make sure I press OK, and you want to make sure the text to display is the same that you have here. It's not going to change. Then also, you want to make sure that it opens up in a new window. Okay, and that's just in case the person has not finished reading the entirety of the email that you sent them, but they can automatically go into another window and contact you through Facebook, and maybe they would like to say exactly where they are contacting you from, and that they had just received an email from you. Well, guys, that's all. So now I'm going to go ahead and go down here, and I'm going to add this to queue. Now, once I add that to queue, a couple of things are going to happen. And what that's showing is that it's going to go ahead and put it in here that says pending broadcast. And you don't want it to be pending broadcast. You want to go ahead and send it out now. This is a peak time of the day where people are seeing emails. It is Sunday. Everybody either getting ready for dinner, or they've already gotten ready for dinner, had dinner, or they haven't started dinner yet and they might be checking the emails. So what you want to do is you want to click this right here, and it says queue. So we're going to go ahead and click that. That's going to populate. You scroll down here, and as you can see, that is ready to be queued. Now what I want to do, you got one more action to do to make sure that it actually goes out on your behalf, is you want to go ahead and click it again. Click that one more again, and now that message is in queue to be sent and broadcast. Okay, so guys, that is all you have to actually do in order to send any email out to your list that you've accumulated by sharing the list leverage system. And I will tell you one thing, I am excited about the systems that I'm using right now because everything has a budget that is feasible for anyone to actually start learning how to grow their budget right now. I will also tell you that I am using other solo ads as well, vendors that I have come in contact with, and they're very familiar with the list leverage opportunity, and they have very, very responsive leads. So, leads of subscribers. So I will start using them next week, and I will come back on here and let you know exactly what my results are as I'm growing my list leverage list. Okay, guys, I want to let you know also, if you have not stepped up and if you have not began your list leverage journey, please click under the description under this video and go ahead and join my team. I'd love to have you on list leverage. Look at the compensation plan. It's an awesome opportunity for you to be able to create residual income on a monthly basis that can take care of some nice things in your household. Also, if you like the information that I share with you, and you also don't mind stopping by every now and then and I presenting some value to you, please go ahead and click that subscribe button over to the right of the screen as you're viewing, so I can go ahead and keep you up to date, and you'll get consistent notification to let you know that I've dropped a new video that's going to give you value, and it's also going to give you opportunity that will enhance your bottom line. Guys, again, remember, this is all about me helping you discover your breakthrough in 2019 and beyond. Again, click the link below so that you can go ahead and start up with our list leverage family, and then also subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you continuously watching as I give you more and more updates on the wonderful systems and products that I'm actually using. Thank you so much. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful Sunday evening, and bye for now.